welcome to the studio. We're so glad you're joining us for our challenge this New Year's. This is the hot seat. My name is Jordan. We've got Jade, Sabrina, Jamie, Kaylee, Micah, and another Jamie with us. The hot seat is a workout that is all about self-confidence, self-expression, and really diving into that part of us that we don't always let loose. So we're gonna get a little sexy, get a little sweaty, and we hope that you join us. And this class is live streamed once a week on the Studio Online, so we hope to see you there. If you would like to join the Studio Online, we do have a 2-week free trial down in the description. All right, let's get started. Everyone grab your 2-pound weights. 1 weight each hand. And we'll start with our arms out in front of us, palms face down, roll the shoulders back, and cross. Just getting our arms warmed up, getting in the groove. Take it out and then out, cross. Feel free to add your own little flair, tap your feet, move your rib cage, whatever feels good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Take it cross, cross, open. Cross, cross, open. Really focus on that squeeze in the back. 4, 3, hold it out, palms up. Take it in, out. Really squeeze your biceps. And we'll take it to the gun show. Feel free to sing along. 4, 3, 2, hold it here, take it down and up. Hold it down, palms there, it's pop, pop. 4, 3, 2, just take it out, in, up. Good job, girl. Give me 4, 3, 2, nice job, hold it out, take a circle forward, let's go. Make it as big or as little as you want, as long as you're feeling it, you're doing something right. Take it forward, up. We have 2-pound weights today, but you can always do this with whatever weight you want. Make it challenging, make it fun. 4, 3, 2, hold it out, palms up, take it all the way up and down. Keep it going, 4, 3, good job, almost there. Last one, hold it down right here, elbow squeeze. Add your own little groove. We're gonna make this a little bigger, up, squeeze. Nice job, 4, 3, 2, 1, good job. Set your weights down by your side. We're gonna turn our chair all the way around. And you're gonna join me in front of your chair. Elbows are gonna squeeze together, some tricep dips. Feet out in front of you. Take it down. Lift, squeezing your glutes at the top. Really taking your hips to the ceiling. Keep it going. 4, 3, 2, let's speed this up. Down, lift. How you feeling, ladies? You look real good. I'm sure you look great at home too. Hold it at the top, little pulse, pulse, pulse. Yeah. 4, 3, take the legs out wide, down and up, down, lift, lift. Squeeze your knees to the back of the room. Nice job. Woo, that's right. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Hold it at the bottom. Squeeze your elbows in. Nice job. Take a circle. Up, down, nice and slow. Lift. Drop. Really let that burn start to sink in. 4, 3, 2, take it other way. Up. 3, 2, hold it here, a little pulse, 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 good job, really make sure you're squeezing your elbows together. Ooh, girls look so good. Come on, let's go. 4, 3, 2, you're gonna take it in, out, out, keep it going. Almost there. 4, 3, 2. The last one, hold your legs wide. Take a seat. Inhale, arms up. Shake it out, shake it out. Woo. Good job. All right, everybody. It's our favorite portion of class. Sock abs to a little bit of Megan Thee Stallion. Everyone come to the side of your chair. You're gonna set your elbows down, feet back behind you. Squeeze your core in. You want to shift your weight forward into your forearms. Are you ready? Woo! Booty tug. Up. My neck so these niggas know I'm rich. And I don't need shit but the dick. Big ass stack in this purse so these niggas know I'm working. Good. Keep it going. Look at this form. You really want to see the booty. I'm really finna make another M. Now tell me how the fuck I'm in the wrong. I don't want the nigga to steal. Let's go. Circle. Hoes might never like me and I'm fine with it. Nasty. I'm a real nigga fantasy. I'll drop dead for other way. Up. This bitch energy. Y'all little hoes still drinking that Hennessy. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock it forward, back. I'm the it girl. I ain't never asked to be the shit girl. Don't call me sis cause I'm not your sister. Nice job. Come and get your mister. 8, my ops linked up in a picture. 6, everybody look busted, injured. 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Slide the knees in, back, in, back. If you don't have socks, you can grab some paper plates, some sliders, whatever you have at home, make it work for you. 4, 3, 2, last one, tuck it, up. Add your own little flair, let your booty bounce, make it big. It's supposed to be sexy, it's supposed to be fun. Let's go, 4, 3, 2, walk it right, left, in, out. Come on. You just mad we ain't speaking, and I'm the one that put the roof where you sleep in. 4, 3, holding knees in. Take it right, left. Good job. Squeeze your obliques. Side of your hip up into the armpit. Woo! Good job. Stand it up. Shake it out. All right, everybody. You're doing so good so far. We're gonna come down on our chair. Lay your back down. I want your booty high, up high on the toes. Heels are lifted off. Hands can be wherever you want on your chair. On the ground, let's take it down. Squeeze. Good job. Really think about squeezing both of your booty cheeks as hard as you can. Nice job. I'm on top of the world. Squeeze. I'm on top of the world. We're gonna speed this up a little. Take it down. Squeeze. Maybe you place one hand on your pelvis. Start to connect to your body. Feel your muscles working. You're doing so good. 4, 3, 2. Hold it at the top. Knees open. Close. Just pivoting on the ball of your foot, holding your butt as high as you can in the air. Nice job. Speed it up. Open, close. I burn down my house and build it up again. Nice job. I burn it down twice just for the fun of it. Good. 4. So much money I don't know what to do with it. Last 2. Last one, hold your knees open, heels together, take it down. I got me one gun and an alibi. Girls. So much love that the whole thing felt like a lie. Good job. 4. I don't need nobody. 3. Keep it going. 2. Nice job. Last one, hold it at the very top. Take a nice big hip circle. Knees are squeezing out to the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Little pulse. Just imagine the sexiest person you can imagine is on the ceiling. You're doing this for them. You're doing this for you. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Your knees back back towards center. Take it down.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me.
Good job. 4, 3, 2, last one. Good job. Take your time getting up off your chair. Woo! All right, girls, this is gonna be our last song. Go ahead, turn your chair to the side. You want your feet about hip width apart, up high on the toes. Take it down, 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 down. I'm gonna turn to the side, hips go right to left. Keep it going, all the way down. Good job, take it up, up, up. Nice. Make this your own. Hold it at the top, halfway. Good job. Tuck it under. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Come on, girls. Nice job. Circle, circle. Make that big. 4, 3, 2, 1. Speed it up. Circle, circle. Take it down. All the way, all the way. Keep that circle going. Take it up. Stay up high on your toes. Woo! Take it down. Nice work. All the way up. Good job. Up high on the toes. Down and up. Fin. Squeeze. Nice squeeze. Pull butt cheeks at the top. Give it everything you've got. Speed it up. Down. Up. Up. Nice work. Ooh, look at these booties. Good job. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it halfway. Tell yourself you can, you can. It's hard, but you got this. Hips right to left. Remember, make this your own. If something doesn't feel right, make it feel right for your body. You got this. 8, 7. What can you do with your hands? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it all the way down. A little break, a little breather. You've got this. Take your knees nice and wide. Let's go. A little lift, drop, lift, drop. Feel the burn. Push through. You got this. 4, 3, 2. Speed it up. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah, girl. Come on, let me see it. Ha, ha, ha. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Hold it up. Circle, circle. Don't let your heels touch your feet. Try to keep it lifted. You've got this. Last one. Speed it up. Yeah. Normally in the hot seat we have one chair dance that stays the same the whole night. This is just a little preview of what you can expect on the studio online. Let's keep it going. 4, 3, 2. Knees together. Stand it up. Nice job. Take it down. Woo! Take it up. Yeah. Down. Again. Ha. Hey, really get that thing out there. 2 more. Up. Feel yourself down. Last one. Good job. Hold it halfway from the top. Hips right, left, right, left. Squeeze, squeeze. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Shake it out. You have made it through your hot seat workout. You should be so proud of yourself. If you would like more of this and more of our challenge, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description to get your 2-week free trial to the studio online. Thank you.